Hi, my name is Ella Fosini and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, you're warmly welcome. So, today's video is basically about my experience with adult coloring book and using watercolors. So let's get straight into the video. In my previous video, I made mention of going through stress and looking for remedy to it. So I started looking and I realized I was more drawn to arts, especially adult coloring and watercoloring. And I decided to just go for it. I read more about it. I watched more videos on it on Instagram and mostly Instagram and TikTok. So I decided to just go into watercoloring because I realized anytime I watch those videos, I feel relieved, I feel excited, and I feel rejuvenated. So I just decided to go into adult coloring and watercoloring. So this is my first project. I'm so excited to really come up with this. The finished work is so soothing and relieving. To actually see what I've done, I'm so happy with myself. It wasn't just to relax, but I was being creative and I was being imaginative, and this came out as I perceived. And the second one I did is this. Oh my god! I think out of the two, they are both great. I like both of them, but I think I love this more because it's unusual, especially with how I combine the colors, and I'm very happy with my output, and I'm so grateful I delved into adult coloring. There are more stuff for me to color and I can't wait to try them. The next one I'm going to talk about is the watercolor. So as I said, I'm not an expert, I'm a beginner who is going through life. I need to relieve stress, I need to do something fun, and I decided to go into watercoloring. In one of my videos, I showed you the things I purchased, the items I purchased. You can check the video out and see the tools you need as a beginner. All the things I bought are pretty cheap because I don't know if this is going to be something I want to invest in it. The main reason for going to watercoloring is for relaxation and for stress relieving. So I just bought cheap stuff. If you're feeling the same way I'm feeling, you can also try that. I mentioned 3 people on YouTube that I follow and learn from, and I mostly watch Emma Lefebvre's videos. So I started with the strokes and the circles. These are the things I started with. I watched tons of the videos for beginners, so these are the things I started with. I have this one was when I was learning how to draw leaves. So this basically was to help me master the grip and how to hold watercolor brushes. After going through the training, I was able to come up with 3 things. So I did this color sampling. These are the colors in my palette, in my watercolor palette, and I did this to help me identify the colors and also get to know how they look like when I need to paint or draw something, so that it will be easy to identify them. There are 36 colors in all. This was actually my first project, the project I did with Emma Lefebvre when I was learning how to hold the watercolor brushes. So these are what I came up with. I know it's not perfect, but I'm so excited. You see the sunset, you see the hills, you can see the trees. I know there's more room for improvement, and as a beginner, I'm so excited I've been able to do this. And the next one was to learn how to draw leaves. It was quite a struggle, but I'm very excited with my results as a learner. I learned how to mix colors. different kinds of greens, different kinds of blues. I mixed them and I was able to get this particular shape. Watercoloring is so relaxing, it's so stress relieving, and it's very exciting. So if you feel stressed and if you want to relax or if you want to do something fun, try watercoloring or try adult coloring. If you can, try both, and I assure you it will be so worth it and you never regret purchasing these. If you want to know more of this or if you are interested in these kind of videos, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in my next video.